It's now time to review trading activities at the Nigerian Exchange Limited, and joining me live from the trading floor is market editor of TVC News, Effiong Ekop. Thank you for joining us, Effiong. Bring us up to speed quickly. What we have today, what is the result of the trading activities today?
Frank, we have 3 straight days this week in the positive transactions. And Monday, Tuesday, and today, we've seen the markets looking upward. Today, the index has crossed 0.07%. And attention also going to the banking stocks. And big banks, they are the ones that are coming into a gainer's chart. We have First Bank Holding, we have UBA, GT Holding. So, and then we also have some manufacturing companies. Even Transcorp is also showing itself strong on the trading floor. You know, all of this is coming on the back of renewed interest of investors into market activities. In the last 3 weeks, we have seen that the market is, recovering from the losses that it had accumulated. And so price rediscovery now comes to a point of helping the markets to grow. And because before this level of recovery, we had seen prices coming down to almost barest minimum. That has encouraged some fund managers who have investable funds to bring them to the market, and they have set into the banking subsector mainly. And that explains the reason why the market is looking upward. And again, investors know that at the end of this year, which is just next month, close by, the banking subsector, the entire sector will have to close their activities, as directed by the central bank. And so attention will go to banking securities, and they are not doing badly at all. Frank?
Okay. I mean, the CBN has announced and also assured Nigerians that, the old Naira note, 200, 500, and 1,000 Naira note remain legal tender. That should bring us a sort of stability for the banking stock. So how is the banking stock reacting to that piece of information?
It is a very good way of stabilizing not only the capital market, but the entire economy. Because if the government didn't move very fast to reassure the citizens on that, you would have seen a kind of run, in some banks. But with that assurance, then there is stability. It is important and reasonable that that any level of currency would be available, that no one will be shortchanged as what we had during the beginning of this year. So the government is assuring us, and that is reasonable. So the banking subsector, I think it is their own time, to shine. And we have seen that coming from Zenith, coming from GT Holding, coming from UBA. I think many others are also working very hard to keep the confidence of their investors. Frank?
All right. Effiong Ekop, I think we'll have to let you go. Thank you for your time, Effiong Ekop, the TVC News Market Editor, live to us from the Stock Exchange there. All right.